Hey, now I'm back again with another one. I'm still out here, and the daily grind is real. I'm still learning a lot about the business, but for the most part, I'm learning a lot about myself. My goal is to be a better person overall. I want to be better than I was yesterday. I'm definitely learning a lot from my mistakes, and I'm also learning from the mistakes of others. The biggest mistake I've made is failing to check my ego. If I don't know anything else, I know my ego has no place in business. Ego would justify your wrongdoings, and it would have you out here looking crazy. When I felt disrespected, it was my ego that told me to handle it in a manner other than professional.
That's my best friend.
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support.
You are now watching another A&A production. Around this time last year, I was detailing a vehicle for a first-time customer. Before detailing the vehicle, I inspected it and informed the customer through another party of an additional charge because of pet hair. The customer accepted the additional charge, and when I completed the detail, I briefly waited in the parking lot for a payment. The customer met me in the parking lot and informed me in a very rude tone that the hair in the vehicle belongs to her and not her dog. In her defense, there was human hair in the vehicle as well. During the conversation, she admitted to owning the dog. She grabs her hair and says, "Does this look like dog hair?" She appeared to be offended. I quickly apologized, accepted the payment, and began to drive away. Before I can exit the parking lot, she yells, "You broke my windshield wipers." I took a deep breath and looked at my son because I knew he was watching and how I handled this situation could have an impact on my little man. I stopped my vehicle, walked over to her, and immediately saw that the wipers were new and they wasn't snapped in properly. She admitted that the windshield wipers were recently installed, so I snapped the wipers in correctly, told her to have a nice day, and drove away. My ego was yelling at me. He was telling me to tell this woman off, but I resisted. One of the reasons I resisted is because I wanted my son to see a man with his emotions intact. Emotions have no place in business. Thanks for watching. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.
subscribe and watch these two great videos right here. Like a man. Like a man.